Hi. So for the superhero drawing, you have three guides. You have a female flying, and you have all the center lines, so you know where to draw. With if you're drawing the cleavage, or you know where the eyes or the nose, or where the belt or the waist and the hips are, or where the boot's supposed to go. So we have the three. You have a female flying. We have a female standing, she's standing with all the center lines and everything. These are guides that you need to print out. You need to print them out on a piece of paper, and it doesn't matter if it's color or black and white. You just print it. Don't spend money on if you go to the printer. Don't spend money on color. Make it black and white. So then these center lines will show you where the waist and the hips are, and then so you will have don't trace the body if it's only designed the patterns on the suit, the belt, stuff like that. That's what you should need to focus on. Don't bother to retrace the figure at the capes and any other stuff that you need to add to the character, you know. So you design the way whatever you want to do. And also don't worry about the faces. What you can do is that you can you're going to you're going to find anime hair. You can do a search for anime hair and you can um trace that instead. So let me show you. Um, so we have the guide, right? So but you're going to do this in a pencil, even though I'm going to show you here some of the things that I want, even though I'm showing you this on the computer, but you're going to do this in pencil. So, so I have some lines here that you can see, like for example, where if it's a t-shirt, this would be a round line. You would do a round line. If it's a long sleeve, it would be right here. Or if she's wearing some sort of a bracelet on that, or a t-shirt, it goes around the cylindrical, and the center line, the cleavage, the V-neck goes down the center. And if she was, and the lines go around her body, like if she was wearing a bra or a tank top or a shirt, or these things go down here. And if she's wearing a skirt, it would go like that. If she's wearing a bikini, it would go like this. Wearing shorts would be here. Uh, Long shorts here, and the center of the boot will go like that. And here I show another one if it was a white one. So I also have that for a man. Let me see. I think I might have some. If you were to draw straight lines, they're not straight. They would try to form around the body of the of the of the of the of the hero. And so here I can show you some of the uh, when you have this is the ink drawing, but actually I should be showing you the pencil underneath is there's no need to shade. All you need to do is just draw a line where you want your design to be, and later so don't worry about coloring or shading. Just draw a line where you need to, okay? So go ahead and just draw your designs on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and submit it. Thank you.